the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra could ditch the Galaxy Note series. So what's up guys, and as we all know, the Galaxy S21 series is in development at Samsung under the codename Unbound and will be released in next year, so we are getting tons of leaks about them. Just today we got the news that Galaxy S21 Ultra could feature S Pen next year. Yes, you heard me right, the Galaxy S21 Ultra could ditch the Galaxy Note series. I mean, it's really surprising that Samsung is taking the decision to feature the most exciting, mind-blowing, overwhelmed S Pen in the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is only available in Note series right now. The Galaxy Note series gave birth to the S Pen, and now Samsung decided to give its baby to the S21 Ultra.
Oh man.
However, I am not a big fan of stylus, but we should not deny the fact it was the selling point for majority of people. As we can see, the stylus is improving in every year. It seems like Samsung wants to adapt it in at least S21 Ultra to make you feel more satisfied in their ecosystem. So it raises a common question to all of us. Does that mean we won't be seeing Galaxy Note series next year? Well, Ice Universe has answered this question. He tweeted that although the Galaxy S21 Ultra uses S Pen, it does not mean that the Note 21 will disappear. So that's a great relief to Note fans, despite the fact the Note series will not be unique anymore. In the meantime, there are also rumors of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as the Samsung's main flagship, for which Ice Universe tweeted the output and price of the Z Fold 3 are not enough to replace the Note as the Samsung's main flagship. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 review is now available online, which revealed a lot of things, so let's see what it got for us. We can see some really clear shots of the device, including its new functionality and how actually it looks on hands. Beside this, it reveals how flex mode works on the device and the angle at which the display can freely stand upright. This feature is really great for various purposes, but especially it is for watching multimedia content. The side-by-side comparison of Galaxy Fold 2 with the Galaxy Fold shows how Samsung has worked on its improvement. Being said that, we can see the smooth gameplay as expected because of the Snapdragon 865 Plus, and that 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display looks mesmerizing. Also, the Samsung logo at the center of edge looks sweet. The video review also confirms that it's now possible to take a selfie with the rear camera by using cover display as a viewfinder. I really appreciate the fact how Samsung has improved both the software and hardware over its predecessor, which we can clearly observe in the video. The design itself looks attractive. At the same time, the larger cover and internal display looks awesome as well. The company said that it will have more to share on 1st of September, and that's when it starts taking pre-orders for the smartphone. So that's all we got for today about the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. I'll be right back with the latest news, so consider subscribing for the latest tech updates.